going on? Creepy from the Banter Boys coming at you from Code Red Airsoft in Parris, California. For this game we're going to be playing on Terminus. Our team's objective is to knock over 3 barrels placed throughout the map. We must find them and knock them over. The other team must keep us from knocking them over to win.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. We need to take that hull. Riot shield. God damn. We need someone in that corner.
We're going to need to get rid of the riot shield if we want to move forward.
Watch out, there's a guy straight across. There's a guy behind the building over there.
You always want to tell your teammates where the enemy is so that they don't get shot.
Yeah, but I can't throw it that.
You're allowed to throw the foam grenades overhand, so I can make it there.
Ref! Ref! Riot shield's gone, riot shield's gone. I know there's one more guy back there though. One more guy, behind the wood. Right side behind the wood. Right side behind the wood. Nice, nice, nice.
As I approach the wall, I can see the shadow of the enemy team popping out. It gives me a chance to know when to pop out so I can take him out without him shooting me.
Ah, chicken kill, chicken kill! Tactical chicken kill! We got it! The last game on D9 I got like 6 of them and my camera wasn't running.
Cameras always malfunction at the worst possible time.
Out!
1-for-1 trade.
Ninja skills! Got one cone, got one cone! Sacrifice myself for the cone! Do we know where the last barrel is? We got the 2 in the back. Yeah, we got those 2. It's probably in here somewhere. If I can draw. That's us. We're there. I see us. Okay, so we have this. Do we know where the last barrel is? Where's the last barrel?
I'm going. Okay, I'm going.
Where's the last barrel? Where's the last barrel? Oh, oh! Boom! Nice! Got it! Got it! Nice job, nice job, nice job, nice job, nice job, nice push!
Good push.
This was a really fun game type to play, and I suggest you try it out at your local field if you're looking for something different. Do you have a favorite game type that you like to play? Leave it in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I post a new video every Sunday.